Why do we get hiccups? We get hiccups mainly because of diaphragm in our body. Diaphragm is dome-shaped muscular organ which separates chest cavity and abdominal cavity in our body. When we inhale air, chest cavity expands and diaphragm get contract. This helps in inhalation. And when we exhale carbon dioxide, chest cavity get contract and diaphragm expand. This helps in exhalation. One of reason of hiccup is eating too much too quickly. It causes stomach to swell. This causes discomfort for movement of diaphragm. Due to this, our diaphragm contracts irregularly in a jerky way, making us suck air suddenly. This air rushes our voice box, making the vocal cord to close suddenly, creating a hiccup.